timid little fawn, shyly approaching the edge of a pool to refresh herself. Daintily, she lowers her head and sips quietly.
Excuse me.
Snakes are known for their hypnotic power. Here we witness a tense drama as a vicious reptile casts its spell over this defenseless little bird.
If you think I'm going in there, you're crazy.
Animals as well as humans have learned to avoid this little fellow, the skunk. There are many species of the cat family. Here's a bobcat. And here comes a tomcat.
Hello, Tom.
Hello, Bob.
A common habit of the crane is to stand on one leg.